Hey Jake, what's up?
Oh, what's up, dude? Hey.
I can't really see you.
Hey, man. The door's broken.
I thought we were filming a video today, right?
I'll see you over there. I'll see you over there.
Okay.
Okay, all right, bye.
I don't know why I gotta go to the gate.
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, man. So, okay, how's it going, guys? Steve. The gate's kind of broken. So, I have this. I don't know if
You want to climb a ladder?
this is, I think, the best way, honestly. And the gate's busted.
I'm gotta step all the way on this thing.
Okay. Oh, I got you, man. It's okay. Come on. Oh, you're good. You're good. Oh, hey. It works, actually. Come on in.
Thank you.
Sorry, dude. I just realized it worked.
This is Zoom. Miracle berries. Let's do this. So, Jake.
Can you explain these berries?
Yeah, I've got something for you. These are berries that when you take them, they turn foods to a different flavor. So, we're gonna try them. We're gonna try a bunch of different foods.
I'm low-key shaking, man.
Yeah, I see that.
I'm scared of, like, weird
You're
flavors.
shaking in your Crocs.
Am I really?
Yeah.
Sweating buckets. It's like 100 degrees in here.
Yeah, it actually is 100 degrees. Pan to the thermometer there. Thank you.
What does it say?
102. Yeah, I got you.
Okay, thanks, man. Do I take one or two?
Just one.
Ooh.
Just honestly, here you go.
You want one too? Yeah?
There you go.
Oh, dude.
So cheers. Put it in your mouth and just coat. Try to coat everything so you don't taste like the vinegar. Come here.
No, it just tastes like shit. Ah! You see that?
I can't stop.
Dude. What's in this?
It's miracle berry powder and cornstarch.
What's miracle fruit powder?
I don't even think that fruit fucking exists. That's my assumption. Are you getting a weird like numbingness? I believe a numbingness.
A little bit. On your cheeks?
Yeah,
Yeah.
on the top of my mouth. I hope they work.
They are 2 years expired.
Nah. Are you almost done?
Dude.
Are you okay?
You can't drink water, huh?
Mm-mm.
How long does this effect last for?
I don't know. We'll find out.
I want to enjoy my dinner tonight.
No, you will.
Okay. I'm not gonna be eating dinner. Like, fuck am I eating, bro?
It's gonna taste like you eating cake, but you eating steak.
Oh.
Cake is steak.
Ugh. Ah. Dude, what does this taste like? It's so familiar. Alright. Can you orange us, Steve?
Lemon. Damn, bro.
Fuck. You know, man.
Are you gonna cut it and squeeze it in your mouth, or you want to like eat it?
I don't know.
I might carve mine.
What shit? Just gonna take a chunk, yeah?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go for it actually.
Me too.
That didn't work.
Didn't work?
No.
Should we take another one?
Yeah.
Should we just chew it and spread it on our tongue and let it dissolve? Let's fucking do it. I think mine isn't that sour though.
Then you're just working.
It's sweeter. Oh!
I'm getting like cranberry vibes.
Oh, don't do it. Oh.
I did.
Oh, dude. Oh.
Ugh. Fuck. That was the worst one. Mine's dissolved already.
Yeah.
Let me see.
I think it worked.
Really?
It's kind of sweet for me.
I'll try.
Like I could eat this lemon. Freeze the cheese.
Frozen cheese.
Only the best spread.
On it.
You want to dink it? Ew.
No, that's just the worst. I can't taste it.
I can't either.
Can you eat the apple cider?
Oh yeah.
I'm not doing that.
Should I just cap it?
Wait, I think we should save it for last because this
Okay.
is like the.
That's possible.
I got an idea. Watch that onion.
Oh shit.
Dude! Oh shit!
Fuck! Why'd you do that? Look at the murder victim.
Imagine if that was like a child's brain.
What?
Sorry.
Hold on, hold on. Damn, this shit don't even fucking work. You wanna try that out?
At this point, we're just torturing ourselves.
Can I do it?
Oh yeah, you can toss it to you.
Yeah. Just a simple little mallet toss.
Oh! Oh!
Oh god. Oh god.
Just a little cat hair.
Murder.
This is not what was supposed to happen. Oh, come on! Shoot! Oh! Oh!
I hate it. That's what
Ooh, we get funky with it. Oh, now. Hey, yo.
Oh shit. Oh fuck.
Oh, shit!
Oh shit.
Let's take some of that. Oh! I killed my mouth.
Are you okay?
Oh!
Are you okay?
Oh. Thanks, man. Thank you.
Thank you. Pop another one.
Oh, my poor asshole.
Ah.
Just toss it. I'll take a bite out of it.
Let me try.
Oh. What? I just got peel. Look at my bite. You think this will work?
I think so.
Why not, right?
Yeah.
In conclusion,
Mm-hmm.
miracle berries are miracle berries.
We're shit. I might have to get them again on Amazon.
They might have been good 2 years ago,
Yeah.
but
As of February 26, 2018, they're not good. Anyways, we'll see you guys next week. We're gonna do a whole new renovation. I hope you guys like the new fridge, friends, and peace out. See you guys next time.
adios.